Huh? Hey, keep your eyes over here, sir. It's Sunday, and I thought today all of the festivities would take place, but no, that was yesterday, this Saturday the 16th, but I was at work doing a double, so the kids didn't really get to do anything, so I'm taking them out to eat now, so we can do something. Pretty much done, and Dale, of course, never eats anything. Actually, you couldn't conquer your burgers a little too much. He said it was too good. He had a macaroni and cheese burger. Adrian had a classic cheeseburger. And Mommy had waffle and chicken. I didn't know Cheesecake Factory had waffle and chicken, but the waffles were amazing. As always. Never failed.